Writing exercises to get started. Chapter-free writing. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Write non-stop about anything that comes to mind. Don't worry about grammar or spelling, just get your ideas down. It also helps to write in bullet points to organize your scenes. 2. Character creation. Create a character profile, name, age, appearance, personality, and a secret they hide. Then, write a short scene featuring this character. At this stage, it doesn't have to be an in-depth character profile. You can do that later on once you decide to continue writing your novel. Describe a place. Pick a place you love or find intriguing. Write a detailed description that captures its sights, sounds, smells, and feelings. You can explore using one of these senses, but remember to be detailed. 4. Dialogue practice. Write a conversation between two characters with opposing viewpoints. Focus on making their voices distinct. Think of the time you have a conversation with someone and jot down what you felt. 5. Rewrite a scene. Take a favorite scene from a book or movie and rewrite it in your own words. Experiment with different tones or perspectives. This is a good exercise. Good luck and happy writing.